Oh snap!
Hey, so welcome to Project Jetta Part 2. And the last time I redid the headliner in this thing, so you can see it's still there. It's still holding up. But today we're going to be taking care of something that is very common with these cars. It is the cloudy headlights. These headlights have seen much better days, as you can see. There have been attempts to polish the headlights. Actually, they were taken to a professional to have them polished out. The professional gave the car back and actually gave money back because he was unable to get these things polished. So, we're going to replace them. Ooh, even comes with a new bulb. That's nice. Oh, look at that. Now, isn't that pretty? First things first, disconnect the battery, just so that I don't electrocute myself. Okay, let's try that again with the right kind of wrench. Just gotta be careful. We're dealing with battery terminals. That'll do it. Just keep that separated like that. Get started. In order to get this off, you get these headlights out. It's held in by 1, 2, 3 screws, and there's one in the bottom here, but it's behind this bumper cover. So we gotta remove the bumper cover, which is done with, this is a T20. Start with these over here. I'll loosen all of these with the wrench, and then because I'm too lazy to start the car up and turn the wheel like a normal person, I'm just gonna grab this and take out the screws. Now, when you're taking out screws of a car, be sure to put them on the ground where they can be easily lost and kicked into the garden. It's preferable. Do that here. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Actually put the screws in a nice little shatter-prone glass jar here. And again, leaving it where it can be kicked, shattered. So, got these screws off of here, but still held in quite well. Right here. And also under here. So, gotta get to work on these. Really like their fasteners. I might clean this thing before it goes back together, but let's get these headlights out. Ah, there you go. Supposed to lift up on that, push down on it, jab it with the screwdriver, What are you supposed to do? What's the deal? Old ones are out. New ones are assembled. Getting ready to go back in. Gonna start with this one. Hopefully I won't drop it. Goes in there.